Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign, and this reading is from May 24th to May 31st. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Pisces. Okay, let's see recent past. Pisces. Six of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Six of Cups. Wow, definitely in past you and your person have past life connection or strong soulmate connection, definitely, for sure. Definitely your person is very interested in you, but I think there is no equal give and take in past. Definitely I think your person give more or you give less in this connection. Definitely I am getting this energy. For some there is equal give and take and everything is okay. For some there is no equal give and take. So let's see what is going in your connection right now, Pisces. Ten of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Lord of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, obviously water sign. Definitely one person already told there is no equal give and take. That is why Seven of Pentacles is here. One person invest on this connection more than the other. Definitely, but you want this relationship. Definitely you want this happy life with this person. Definitely I think it is Pisces, you person spiritually awakening or you spiritually awakening in this connection, or you both could be spiritually awakening about this connection. Definitely you want this, you both want this happy life with each other. Definitely, so right now spiritually awakening is going in your lives. So near future actions, your person near future actions towards you. King of Swords, Two of Pentacles. I think Sagittarius reading also got more like these cards. Two of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Six of Cups, High Priestess. Yes, definitely I think your person is very honest, very loving, definitely very straightforward. Definitely they want to communicate you. Definitely very straightforwardly. If you give equal give and take, they will be in this relationship, otherwise they will cut. I think it is very straightforward card because they are very honest in this relationship. Two of Pentacles, I think they are juggling between because there is no equal give and take, that's why they are juggling. High Priestess, definitely patience and balance is needed in this situation. Definitely High Priestess is trust your intuition. Definitely your person right now listening their intuition. Definitely that's why they are make their decision. If there is a equal give and take, they will be in this relationship. They want this relationship, otherwise they will cut whatever, I think. So let's pull some cards from universe, Pisces. I think you both love each other. Definitely Six of Cups and Ten of Cups is here, but there is some unbalance in this situation, in this yeah. King of Pentacles, definitely you want to give this commitment to this person. Wow, Ace of Swords, truth coming out and brand new beginning. Queen of Cups, wow, and last card. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, definitely you will give this commitment to you, and this your person also ready for reconciliation. If you give commitment and stability to this connection, and Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor. Definitely there is a brand new beginning, and the energy between both of you become very, very loving and nutritious. Definitely, excuse me. So definitely long term commitment is coming. Your person want to give a chance to you. Definitely if you give long term commitment, so I am getting this. Definitely there will be a chance for brand new beginning, reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.